Okay, guys, today we're gonna learn about solving multivariable equations, but just in terms of one variable. Okay, let's see about the steps that we're gonna follow. We're gonna solve only for in terms of one variable. The first step will be simplify both sides as much as possible, which means combine like terms, CLT. Get rid of the parentheses first, like using distributive property, and then combine like terms. Step number two, we're going to move all the terms containing the variable to one side and then all the other terms to the opposite side. Same as we do with the equations on inequalities, but now we're going to be moving other variables. Then at the end, same step, we're going to divide by the coefficient of the variable. Our goal is to isolate or leave alone the variable that we are solving for. Let's go over an example. And on this one, we're going to solve in terms of x. Okay, we have the equation 3 times x plus 2 equals 2y plus x minus 5. First step will be simplify or get rid of the parentheses. In this case, use distributive property. So we're going to multiply the 3 times the x and the 3 times the 2. So we have 3x plus 6 equals 2y plus x minus 5. We're going to decide which side will be our variable side. In this case, will be the left side. So we're going to subtract negative, and we're going to subtract x or minus x on both sides, and we're going to end up with 2x plus 6 equals 2y minus 5. We can combine any other like terms. So next step will be send this plus 6 to the other side, because we said the left side will be our variable side. So it will be minus 6 and minus 6, and we're going to have 2x equals 2y minus 11. Well, then go to the last step, which is divide by the coefficient. So we're going to divide both sides by 2. Okay? And then on the left, we're going to have x. On the right, we're going to have 2y minus 11 divided by 2. But we can simplify that expression. So we're going to end up with x equals y, because 2 divided by 2 is 1, so it's y minus 11 divided by 2, or 11 halves. So that will be my solution in terms of x. Okay, let's go over another example. In this case, we're going to solve in terms of y. Okay, we have 5 times x plus 2 equals 2 times y plus x plus 10. First thing we should do is get rid of the parentheses or use distributive property, okay, to simplify. So it will be 5 times x, 5 times 2. And on the right side will be 2 times y, 2 times x. So we're going to have 5x plus 10 equals 2y plus 2x plus 10. Then we need to decide which side will be my variable side. I only have y's because I'm solving in terms of y on the right side. So the right side will be my variable side. So I'm going to subtract the x on both sides just to isolate the y. So I'm going to have 3x plus 10 equals 2y plus 10. And then the 10 on the right side is on the wrong side. So I want to remove it. So I'm going to subtract 10 on both sides, and then I'm going to have 3x equals 2y. Since I'm solving in terms of y, I need to divide by the coefficient of y, which in this case is 2. So divide both sides by 2, and then I'm going to end up with 3x divided by 2 equals 2y. We can rewrite this just to have it in a nice way. So we can say y equals 3x divided by 2. And that's how we solve in terms of one variable, even though we have multiple variables. Okay.